You've got a 2018 Vacationer Rough Rider. I'll just give you a walk around. So up front we've got a DO35 hitch, which needs the DO35 toe pin. That fits into your tow hitch, just like a regular tow ball does, so it's no biggie. And once you get used to them, they are really cool hitches. They pivot completely 360 and up and down, real easy to hitch on. Once you get the hang of it, you won't want to change back. So it's a full off-road caravan. It's got coil springs, trailing arm suspension. It's a twin bunk down back, island bed up front, convertible lounge on the side. Just go down the side. We've got a bit of issues with the sun, but so there is some slight paint fading, as you can see there, and a little bit of powdering on the sides. The sun's been on it, but it's nothing major, purely cosmetic, and chances are with some time and some polish it would come up sweet. So twin axle with the big mud tyres on it. Caravan has warrant of fitness, registration, gas cert and electrical warrant of fitness. Stuck between another caravan before I try and get back. On the side there you've got your 10 amp power outlet, outdoor table. That's better, zoom out a little bit. And here is stereo and more power outlet with 12 volt and mains. You've got your outdoor speakers up there. Got the full massive retractable awning. And around the back, you've got your spare on the back, matching alloy. LED tail lights. Around to the side, so you've got your two bunk windows. You've got your gas and mains hot water system at the back. It's the vent. And here, so you've got twin batteries located on the outside. These vents there, that's just for your fridge. That's your mains power inlet. Nice big windows down the side. And this little compartment here is an external outdoor shower. Again, just some signs of some paint sort of powdering, but nothing major. And here, a big tunnel goes all the way through to the other side. Nice checker plate front, stop the stones hitting anything, and a checker plate box, storage box or tools or what have you. You've got the manual side step. So you've got your big U-shaped lounge, which is really cool. That could be converted into an extra berth if you so wanted to do it. And then into the bedroom, now there is a dividing concertina there. Lots of wardrobe space, lots of above bed storage, and padded bed head, with more wardrobe storage if need be, running along with a little shelf. Into the kitchen, so ample storage, lots of drawers and cupboards. Got a full-size oven, which is really good. Grill, and then under the bench top is 3 gas hobs and 1 mains. Got the extractor in this cupboard here, you've got all your power, your solar controller up there, solar panels are on the roof, your water pump, hot water mains, hot water gas, sorry, hot water mains, and all your power. So this is 12 volt range hood, and also it's got its own little LED lights as well. Up somewhere here, up on the roof here, we've got the air conditioner. Now that works heating and cooling, and remote control is just there. Good size sink, ample bench space. Good size fridge, mains and gas. There's also another dividing door here which leads into the bunks. Now, and down the back here we've got the twin bunks. We've just got the squabs out, but the squabs do come with it. Again, ample storage, cupboard space, wardrobe space, drawers, and a washing machine located at the bottom. So it's a 4 kilo Kamek washing machine. And we've got the toilet, good size separate toilet, straight to fan roof vent, and into the shower. Again, good size separate shower, ample headroom in this caravan. Got the radio and more little cubby holes, so storage for Africa. Generous size cupboards. You've got fly screens and blackout blinds. If you got any questions, sing out, come and have a look. But this is definitely got space for the whole family. It's a really, really good layout with separate areas so you can hide from the kids or not, whichever way you see fit. Thank you for watching.